Hello, my friends. It's Yarra coming to you from Arcadia Economics from my big comfy chair in Denver, while Chris is down in Puerto Vallarta doing very necessary DD on the resort location for Silverfest 2. So I wanted to do a quick video today to announce the winner of the 10-ounce First Majestic medallion. And so stay tuned to the end of the video because I will be announcing who won this fabulous coin. But also I wanted to show you some of the awesome ways that I like to collect silver and celebrate stackers and silver in general. So thanks for joining me. And first of all, I think our first unboxing is going to be this First Majestic 10-ounce medallion, which I'm going to announce the winner for at the end of the show. And ooh, it is very shiny. You almost can't even see it in this light. And one of the things I love about 10-ounce coins is, first of all, I'm little, so 10-ounce coins are amazing. But check out all of the detail you can get on these amazing coins. They're so beautiful. And I love the craftsmanship of all of the pieces that come out of First Majestic. I have the cube set, which I think a lot of you have seen, and it is one of the coolest silver things I own. But I'm going to show you some other cool silver stuff today. So hopefully you'll think all of that is rad. So this is what we'll be giving away at the end of this video. So stay tuned. But I wanted to show you some of the other things that I love about silver, because despite its usefulness in industrial products and the fact that we need it for everything electronic, everything green going forward, silver is also one of the most beautiful and long-lasting things that has ever been around. And one of the things that I really like about silver is, you can see here is a coin from 1330 is what it says on it. And I mean, it's worn out, but it's also still just like one of the coolest pieces of art I've ever seen. I'll show you the other side. And so this is where we kind of started with silver. And it's progressed in such a cool way. So I wanted to show you some of the silver things that I think are awesome, and hopefully you'll think they're cool too. So I know a lot of you have seen silver bullets before, but you can get silver bullets in 1 ounce, I think 5 ounce, and I think Chris even has a 10-ounce bullet, which is about this big, which is pretty awesome. He used to keep it on his desk in Denver. And one of my personal favorites are the poured silver pieces. And it's because, I don't know, they have a very kind of just homey, wholesome feel to it. And silver is close to my heart. So I love those. But as far as coins go, a lot of people don't even realize that silver coins can be made in any shape or size. And so here's a fun triangle pirate ship coin, and this one, both sides are epic. I don't know if you can see all of the amazing detail. And not only do coins come in 1 and 10-ounce sizes, like you've already seen, here's a lovely 1-ounce piece, the Archangel Michael, very, very good for protection. But they also come in cool other sizes, like 5-ounce coins. You guys are going to like this one. This is one of the Aztecs, similar to the First Majestic coin, but it's a 5-ounce piece. So you can see the difference in kind of girth. I mean, obviously it's double, but the heft, or the size of the 1 ounce or of the 5 ounce versus the 10 ounce. Oops, sorry, it's hard to get them all in the picture, right? But yeah, these 5-ounce Aztec coins are super cool. Oops, the Aztecs on their heads. And that's kind of what I like about coins. But not only do they make really cool coins, they also have really made them into art pieces beyond just the amazing engravings and prints on them. So I wanted to share one that makes me super happy. This is a scarab coin with some amber actually embedded in the coin. And scarab has long been a symbol of immortality, and amber is a wonderful solar plexus chakra activator. So it's really good for like the energy of eternity. And so even just having and holding something like this, I feel what this represents in every cell in my being. And I don't know a whole lot of other kinds of art or collectibles that give you that sense. So just a little bit on the silver celebration. But other cool things are, poured blocks that are like Legos. This is a 10-ounce bar that has a giant Lego. I think you've probably seen some of Chris's silver Lego sculptures that he used as backgrounds or shared on Twitter at some point. And another cool kind of silver thing that I get to share with you is, check this out. This is 2 1-ounce coins as part of a gear set. And I'm a science nerd, and I just thought this was really, really fun. And of course, this opens and you can take your coins out. So they are individual coins that are part of the set. One more thing I wanted to show you before I announce the First Majestic winner is, I've been thinking a lot about Back to the Future lately, because Chris has been talking to me about Biff's World a little bit, which he might mention later on the show. But check out this amazing Back to the Future license plate. And this also, the packaging is super cool, but you can take it out of the case. So those are just some of the fun things that people are making with silver. And one of the reasons why people ask me why I like miners so much, and it's because that's where the silver comes from. So I'm so excited to get to share the winner of the First Majestic coin, because First Majestic is an amazing company that makes a lot of silver, and it's cool to also own a piece of that story in my mind. So without a whole lot of further ado, I'm ready to announce. I have it written down. And just so you know how I picked this, we had over 500 people submit their name to win this coin. And what I did was I did a random number generator and then picked the number based off, or the name based off of that. So just so you know the method to my madness, I would love to congratulate Paul Limer. Congratulations, Paul. You are the owner of this fabulous 10-ounce silver medallion from First Majestic. And this baby will be in your possession shortly. So be checking your email. I will be asking for your address. Or if you're watching this right now, you can go ahead and send me an email at yarra@arcadiaeconomics.com. But I'll be reaching out to you shortly. So it's always very exciting to get to give silver away. I feel like one of the things that I've been so grateful with Arcadia is making a lot of silver friends and sharing a lot of silver with people. So this is fun for me, and I really enjoy getting to have that kind of connection with people and keep silver moving. And I know a lot of us are stackers, maybe hoarders, and that's awesome. And at the same time, I want to spread the love. So thank you all who join in this contest, and hopefully you'll catch some of our other ones because we love giving stuff away. But Paul Limer, you are our winner, and congratulations to you. So thanks for joining me for my little silver showcase. Thanks everyone for watching this video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you'd like more information about Silverfest 2, make sure you're signed up for the email list at arcadiaeconomics.com. As we get more info, we'll be sharing it there. Thanks so much. Have a great day.